If you want to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you download music, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open YouTube and click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio opens, scroll down the left-hand navigation panel and click on Audio Library. Here you can find music and sound effects that are available for creators to use. Now, browse through the available tracks and click the play button to listen to a preview. When you find a track you like, hover over the track and click the download button on the right side, or use the download button in the audio player at the bottom. The MP3 file will then be saved to your computer. After the download is complete, open the file and make sure the audio plays correctly.